It is common knowledge that New Orleans is a top representative of Louisiana's fine cooking. Today, the New Orleans dining experience is a mix of old and new, offering you their historically acclaimed famous Southern food and their fast-changing food scene from new influences around the world. Welcome to Things to Do channel. We publish new content every day, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest video. Now, let's reveal the top 10 dishes in New Orleans to get your Southern food fix. Chargrilled Oysters. Known as one of the best specialties of the city, Chargrilled Oysters takes the salty like the sea flavor to another place entirely. The grill adds a char with a gastronomic experience. The best part? The oysters are way cheaper compared elsewhere in the United States. There are two most recommended restaurants to try these fantastic oysters, at Acme Oyster House and Drago's Seafood Restaurant. Po' boys. Po' boys were invented to feed striking streetcar workers in 1929. Popular fillings for these sandwiches served on crusty French bread include roast beef and fried seafood. Make sure to order yours dressed with lettuce, tomato, pickles, and mayonnaise. Get these sandwiches at Johnny Po' Boys. Operating since 1950, this joint will surely satisfy you. Mayonnaise. The signature pastry of New Orleans, mayonnaise. It was first introduced by French immigrants, and since then it has become a city staple. Each light, puffy treat fritter of yeasted dough, dusted with sugar and best eaten fresh with a cup of coffee to wash it down. The famous Café du Monde is a must-go-to cafe in the city, offering the city its caffeine fix for over 3 centuries. Get your mayonnaise and coffee here and enjoy a dazed afternoon. Muffulettas. The Italians also have a contribution to the city's foodscape, and it is the muffuletta sandwich. Muffulettas take their name from a round sesame bread loaf that was popular among the city's Italian immigrants. The loaf is cut in half and layered with varying combination of cold cuts and cheese, and olive salad. An old-school Italian grocery called Central Grocery is one of the best places to get muffulettas. Red bean and rice. Red beans and rice liors are Louis Armstrong's words, and he is a big fan of this Monday night staple red bean and rice. Made with the leftover pork bones from Sunday dinner, and isn't prepared the same way in any one home or restaurant kitchen across the region. Eat at Mother's Restaurant. Founded in 1938, they have been serving this hearty dish every tourist should try. Gumbo. Gumbo is a Creole classic. It is a stew often made with okra, chicken, cured pork products, or seafood, and rice. The only common denominator between the various versions is its savory seasoning, balanced to achieve the perfect kick according to the cook's taste. Commander's Palace is the original upscale New Orleans restaurant, taking the dishes and flavors that came out of the melting pot of Cajun, Creole, French, and African cuisine, and bringing them into the realm of fine dining. The restaurant's James Beard award-winning chef, Tony McPhail, features a daily rotating gumbo on the menu. Pralines. Rich, creamy, and celebratory of southern United States local crops. Both sugarcane and pecan trees are easily grown in the region. Pralines have been consumed and sold in New Orleans since French settlers brought the recipe from them from the Old World. Native Louisianan T. Eva began selling pies and pralines out of a tiny rented kitchen in New Orleans in 1987. Aside from the pralines, T. Eva's offers classic southern baked goods like sweet potato and crawfish pie. Blackened redfish. Blackened redfish was popularized by one of the nation's first celebrity chefs, Paul Prudhomme, who helped introduce Creole and Cajun cuisine to the rest of America. The chef takes fillets of redfish, dips them in melted butter, dredges them in a spice mixture, and pan-fries them in a hot skillet. The result is a dark blackened crust. Get it at Jackie Mo's. They have been producing this amazing dish for over 20 years. Boudin. This Cajun sausage is a southern Louisiana staple. Unlike its French and Belgian predecessors, the Cajun version uses a highly seasoned meat and dirty rice filling and is sometimes smoked. Boudin fanatics will travel far and wide for their favorite version. Try the kind offered up at Ronnie's Boudin and Cracklin House, just up the river from New Orleans in the state capital, Baton Rouge. While you're there, make sure to pick up some of their addictive cayenne seasoned pork crackling. Barbecued shrimp. It is not cooked on open fire, but rather this dish gets its name from the spices that provide its piquant Creole-style flavor. The shrimp is best eaten with plenty of crusty bread to sop up the juices, a bib, and a great deal of napkins. Try this shrimp dish at Pascal's Manale, an old-school Italian eatery serving New Orleans for more than 100 years. The restaurant is purportedly the inventor of the dish, and the main ingredient in the spice mix is as simple as black pepper.
Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this about your favorite cities around the world. Let us know in the comments which of the places from our list today you would like to visit the most.